Once you've selected the model, you come to the next tab, which is the Unit tab. Here you have three subtabs. You have one called My Unit, one called Merge, and one called Potential Peers. In the My Unit tab, you basically select the unit you want to analyze, and you can see the units I can choose here, all the way down. There's one of them here which has a red cross. It means that in this case we don't have full data to analyze that unit, but then you can just provide some estimates and then we can still do the analysis. I'm going to take a look at one which I have down here, which is Odense, the third largest town in Denmark. So I can press this, and then what you will see is the data for Odense. You see the data down here, and we can see that Odense has been spending 48 million Danish crowns in operating cost. It has transported some 11 million cubic meters water. It has network length of close to 1,000 kilometers, and it has total number of connections equal to 144,000 approximately. Now, if you want to analyze that unit, you can just continue. If you want to modify the data of that unit, you can do that using these tabs here, or these radio buttons here. And if you want to analyze some other units, you can also self-define a totally new unit. In some cases, you're interested instead to analyze and merge up to a unit. You can do that by going to the Merge tab. If you do so, you will in this case, we can see different towns here, and then you can just press the two towns you might consider to merge, which could be these two. Not a good example because they're not even close, but geographically close, but you could take some neighbor towns, and then you can see that we create a merge unit down here, which you can now go and analyze. You can also, in this tab, go in and put some restrictions on the comparators you're interested in. When you do that in Potential Peers tab, you can either go in and, for example, click away some of the units, like now I clicked away Stubbekøbing, or you can actually go in here and define any kind of advanced logical expression that defines a filter. So you can say, for example, that the name should begin with an A. Let's see how many towns begins with an A in Denmark. So you can apply that filter. Right now we have 70 units included in the data set. If I include the filter A, I forgot to click this one, then I only have two left, namely Alsøndrup and Aakirkeby. So that's probably not a good idea, so I could erase that filter again. But anyway, you can in this way eliminate units you don't find relevant for your comparison. So now I have to bring them back, and now we're back to 71 basically. Okay.